Hello and welcome to my course on digital marketing and behavioral science. Are you looking for ways to make your customers act now? Then you're in the right place. I'm Venceslav Hikov, Chief Strategy Officer at BBDO, the most awarded creative agency network in the world. Over the last 25 years, I have had the privilege of working with some of the most powerful brands in the world, including Heineken, Land Rover, Pepsi, Samsung, Shell, Snickers, Volvo, Unicredit, and many others. In this course, I will be sharing with you some of the tools these brands use to activate their customers. Studying behavioral science should come with a warning. It's great for activation, for making people buy, download content, share, or do whatever you define as conversion. But if your task is to build long-term brand equity, behavioral science won't be of much help. However, behavioral science is really instrumental in uncovering what shapes your customers' behavior, what makes them tick. It took me 1 year to prepare this course, and all the tools have been field tested by some of the best brands out there, so you can immediately apply them to your marketing programs. By the end of this course, you will have a set of thinking principles designed to answer one simple question: how to make your customers act now. Based on feedback from my students, I have added step-by-step guides that show you how to apply the principles of behavioral science to your digital marketing campaigns. These are available as downloadable resources for each lecture. Don't forget to check out the practice assignments and quizzes. They're fun and will help you test your knowledge. So, if you're ready to take your digital marketing skills to the next level, sign up for this course now. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to see what you achieve.